These are my makeup stuff. This is my lens, my medical needs and stuff. Then this one, these are also like miscellaneous, and the last one has nothing. I have to throw this one. So yeah, this is how it looks. Then that's a bouquet. That's the one that my roommate gifted me, Sana. And then I have like namkeen and sweets. This is my cute eye bag that I got from Miniso. Then yeah, this is it. I have stored some food here because I need them while studying. Hey everyone, so today is 6th of January, which is officially my joining date with Etihad, and I have my induction today, and I am going to wear this for my induction. Ta-da! So this is a black blazer, and then a black pant and a white shirt. So I'm just getting ready and we'll be right back. This is what we are looking like. And I'm going to carry it to my table. guys, so we are waiting for our bus to arrive, and
You just met us today.
so all these ladies live in my apartment, just different apartments and flat numbers. So now we are waiting for our bus. It will arrive at 6:25 and it's already 6:23. I was this close to miss it, but then another night and I made it. Yay, I'm just so excited. It's like it's here.
I'm fourth.
Fourth. I came
How about you?
second as well.
Oh, Anela! How come I didn't know you? How is that?
I don't think we should change.
Okay, so we are having breakfast. It's a buffet. I'm just so excited. Also, my friend got the same batch. And we had our interaction with the CEO of the company, and it was really good. However, we were really very sleepy, but I was sleeping all the time. So that was really good. Chirti! So many people, right? This is how our training academy looks like. This is the back and on the front of it. And I have so many goodies with me that Etihad has given us as a new joinee. Yeah, I'm kind of tired, and also that I have gotten into that AM badge. However, I didn't want that, but since everything happens for a reason, so I'm not like very pissed. And since my roommate will be there with me in batch, so I'm like, yay! Bus is here, and we were standing on the wrong path, so I have to go to Al Forsan and getting into my bus. Just get in! Oh my god. Okay, where are you sitting? In the front. I'm sitting here. Okay, we are in the bus, finally, and the day is over for today. Also, it's looking so pretty out there. That's it, this is our transport.